Hello there everyone and welcome aboard. Arkedy here again, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to download a complete crack of iObit driver booster. So let's get started. We're going to go to the link in the description and we're going to download this. First open your browser and visit the link. From this page, you're gonna go to the bottom and click the download button here. After waiting for a while, we're just gonna download the zip file from this page. Now, let's unzip the zip file. And we have this here. I'm gonna close the browser. So here we have the instruction file, the installation file, and the loader, which you're going to need in a while. So before we install this, we're gonna have to disconnect from the internet and we have to disable our antivirus. So I'm gonna turn off the internet and disable the antivirus for now. Okay, so let's install this. You can customize the installation from this menu. After the installation is complete, just close it from here, and we're going to copy this file and this one, the loader IDB, to the installation directory. So let's open the directory which is here, and we're going to copy this one in the directory and also the version. Now, always run the app with this loader IDB. Let's make a shortcut, which will be here in the desktop. We're gonna delete this one. Well, now you can turn on your internet so the driver can start updating your system drivers. Also, let's turn on our antivirus. And we are ready to launch our iObit driver booster. And as you can see on the top, we have driver booster 7.6 Pro. So it's automatically activated. By clicking this scan button, you can actually scan for the driver updates. So that will be it for now. Thank you for your time. I'll see you next time.